Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got another nice watch face for you all to download. And yes, again, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one is called Shine First. I like it. It's a basic digital / analog watch face in an AOD mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look, same design. Not a bad look at all for a free watch face, that is. Now, let's take a closer look at it. First of all, it has everything that you need for your step status, so you're going to get information on floors climbed, of course your calories burned. You're also going to get this nice analog clock over to the side, pretty much legible, and you're going to get a realistic moon phase along with the date. Also, you're going to get your digital time, which is in big bold numbers. I like the look. You're going to get your heart rate information as well, battery info down at the bottom, and you are going to get shortcuts. So I thought this was a really nice look for a casual wear, for a casual day, and or simply for the work week. This is not a bad look. Now, it is inactive, so if I double tap, I can change the look of the index that's going around the bezel of the watch to a few different colors in all. Not bad at all, but if I tap on one of these shortcuts, I can go into that particular application, which I thought was nice. Same thing for my heart rate information. So for a freebie, I think it's good. But everybody's different, so listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Again, you know I would love to hear what you have to say about this watch face. And let me know, is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the Monday grind is going well for you all. And with that, just continue to grind hard, and people, it will be over with soon. Trust me. All right, you all, hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.